Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that everyone can benefit from. 15 ways to optimize your money. We all want to make the most of our hard-earned cash, so let's dive right in. Number 1. Create a budget. First things first, establish a budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously to gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into essential and discretionary items. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save. Analyze your spending patterns and identify any areas where you can make adjustments. For example, if you notice you're spending a significant portion of your budget on dining out, consider cooking more meals at home. Budgeting allows you to prioritize your financial goals and allocate your resources accordingly. It's a crucial step in optimizing your money and ensuring you're making the most of every dollar. Number 2. Prioritize saving. Make saving a top priority in your financial journey. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense by setting aside a specific percentage of your income each month. Automate the savings process by setting up automatic transfers to a separate savings account or investment vehicle. By doing this, you remove the temptation to spend the money before it has a chance to grow. It's essential to establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and also to save for future goals like buying a home, starting a business, or funding your retirement. Remember, saving is not just about setting money aside. It's about securing your financial well-being and creating a safety net for the future. Number 3. Reduce debt. One of the most effective ways to optimize your money is by reducing your debt. Start by tackling high-interest debts, such as credit cards or loans with exorbitant interest rates. These debts can quickly accumulate and become a financial burden. Create a debt repayment strategy by focusing on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on other debts. By prioritizing high-interest debts, you'll save money in the long run by minimizing the amount of interest that accrues. Consider strategies like the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to accelerate your progress. Remember, every dollar you put towards paying off debt is a step towards financial freedom. Number 4. Embrace frugality. Adopting a frugal mindset is a powerful way to optimize your money. It's about finding ways to reduce expenses without compromising on quality or enjoyment. Start by making small changes in your everyday life. Consider buying generic brands instead of name brands for certain products. You'll often find that the quality is comparable, but the price is significantly lower. Another frugal habit is cooking at home. By preparing your meals, you not only save money on dining out but also have control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Additionally, explore free or low-cost entertainment options like parks, museums, or community events. Embracing frugality allows you to allocate your funds towards what truly matters to you, helping you maximize your financial resources. Number 5. Regularly review your bank accounts. Many people stick with the same bank for years without realizing that they might be missing out on better opportunities. Take the time to compare different financial institutions and their offerings. Look for higher interest rates on savings accounts, lower fees, and additional perks such as cashback rewards or free ATM access. By switching to a bank that aligns with your financial goals, you can maximize the returns on your savings and potentially save on unnecessary charges. Remember, your money should work for you, so don't hesitate to explore your options and make a switch if it benefits your long-term financial well-being. Number 6. Invest in your education and acquire new skills. This can lead to better job opportunities and increased income. In today's rapidly changing world, staying competitive in the job market requires a commitment to lifelong learning. Whether you pursue a formal degree, enroll in online courses, or participate in workshops and seminars, investing in your education has a multitude of benefits. Acquiring new skills not only expands your knowledge but also demonstrates your dedication and adaptability to potential employers. It allows you to develop personally and intellectually. Learning new skills broadens your perspective, enhances critical thinking abilities, and boosts self-confidence. It opens doors to creative problem solving and helps you navigate challenges with resilience and resourcefulness. Number 7. Quit bad habits like smoking or excessive drinking. Not only will it improve your health, but it'll also save you money. It's no secret that unhealthy habits can take a toll on both your well-being and your wallet. Smoking, for example, not only poses serious health risks but also comes with a hefty price tag. Think about it, the cost of cigarettes adds up over time, draining your finances and hindering your ability to save for more meaningful goals. Similarly, excessive drinking not only affects your physical and mental health but also impacts your financial stability. Think about the money spent on alcohol at bars, restaurants, or even liquor stores. Cutting back on or eliminating these habits not only puts more money back into your pocket, but also frees up funds that can be allocated towards more positive and fulfilling endeavors. When you quit smoking or excessive drinking, you embark on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle, which can result in long-term cost savings on healthcare expenses. Number 8. Grow your own fruits and vegetables. Gardening can be a fun and cost-effective way to supplement your groceries. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking a ripe tomato or harvesting fresh herbs from your own backyard. Not only does it provide you with nutritious, organic produce, but it also saves you money on grocery bills. Starting a garden doesn't require a large space. You can begin with containers on a balcony or even a small patch of land in your backyard. Choose vegetables and fruits that are suitable for your climate, and consider the amount of sunlight your space receives. Think about the savings you can achieve by not having to purchase these items from the grocery store regularly. The initial investment in gardening supplies and seeds is relatively low compared to the long-term benefits. By growing your own food, you have full control over the growing process. You can avoid pesticides and chemical additives, ensuring that you and your family consume healthier, fresher produce. Number 9. Build an emergency fund. One of the cornerstones of financial optimization is building an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having a safety net in place can provide immense peace of mind. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This fund will act as a financial cushion to cover unexpected events such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job losses. Start by setting small savings goals and consistently contributing to your emergency fund. Consider opening a separate high-yield savings account or a money market account for easy access and potential interest growth. Having an emergency fund not only reduces financial stress, but also prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans during challenging times. Prioritize building your emergency fund and watch it become your financial safety net. Number 10. Lower your utility bills by conserving energy. Turn off lights and unplug electronics when not in use. It's easy to overlook the impact of small energy-saving habits, but they can add up to significant savings over time. Take a moment to assess. Start by developing the habit of turning off the lights when leaving a room. Encourage your family members to do the same. Consider replacing traditional light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs, which not only last longer but also consume less electricity. Check your energy consumption and identify areas where you can make improvements. Unplug electronics and appliances when they're not in use. Many devices, such as televisions, gaming consoles, and phone chargers, continue to draw power even when they're turned off or in standby mode. Another effective way to conserve energy is by properly insulating your home. Insulation helps maintain a comfortable temperature inside, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Number 11. Refinance loans. Another powerful way to optimize your money is by considering loan refinancing. If you have outstanding loans, such as mortgages or student loans, explore the option of refinancing to potentially secure a lower interest rate. When interest rates drop or your creditworthiness improves, refinancing can help you save a significant amount of money over the life of the loan. By refinancing to a low rate, you reduce your monthly payments or shorten the repayment period, ultimately saving thousands of dollars in interest. However, it's important to weigh the costs associated with refinancing, such as closing costs or prepayment penalties, to ensure that the savings outweigh these expenses. Consult with a financial advisor or mortgage specialist to assess the potential benefits of refinancing and make an informed decision that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Number 12. Diversify your income. To further optimize your money and create financial security, it's essential to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, as unexpected events like job losses or economic downturns can significantly impact your finances. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities to create additional revenue streams. We already have some videos on passive income, side hustles, and freelance jobs on this channel, so try checking them out. Leverage your skills, hobbies, or interests to find ways to generate income outside of your primary job. This not only provides a safety net but also opens up possibilities for increased earning potential and financial flexibility. Whether it's starting an online business, renting out a property, or investing in dividend-paying stocks, diversifying your income can help you weather financial storms and achieve your financial goals more efficiently. Number 13. Downsize your living space if it's financially feasible. A smaller home means lower mortgage or rent payments, which can significantly impact your monthly budget. Take a step back and evaluate your current living situation. Are you utilizing all the space available to you? Could you comfortably downsize without sacrificing your quality of life? Consider the advantages of a smaller home. Not only will it reduce your housing costs, but it will also require less time and money for maintenance and upkeep. With fewer rooms to clean and maintain, you can redirect those resources towards other financial goals, such as saving for retirement or paying off debts. Downsizing doesn't mean compromising on comfort or style. Embrace a minimalist approach to living, where you prioritize quality over quantity. Assess your belongings and declutter unnecessary items. Additionally, downsizing can inspire a shift in mindset towards conscious consumption. Number 14. Track your progress. To stay on top of your financial optimization journey, it's crucial to track your progress regularly. Utilize financial apps, spreadsheets, or budgeting tools to monitor key metrics such as your net worth, debt reduction, and savings growth. By keeping tabs on these numbers, you gain a clear picture of your financial health and can make informed decisions to stay on track. Set specific milestones and celebrate your achievements along the way. Whether it's paying off a significant portion of your debt, reaching a savings goal, or increasing your net worth, each milestone is a testament to your hard work and financial discipline. By tracking your progress, you stay motivated and empowered to continue making smart financial choices that optimize your money for the long term. Number 15. Continually educate yourself. In the ever-changing world of personal finance, it's essential to have a thirst for knowledge. Commit to continually educating yourself about various aspects of personal finance. Dive into books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts to expand your understanding. Topics like investing, budgeting, tax strategies, and financial planning can seem daunting, but with continuous learning, you can navigate these areas with confidence. Stay updated on the latest trends, best practices, and strategies to optimize your money. By investing time in your financial education, you empower yourself to make informed decisions and adapt to changing economic landscapes. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to maximize your financial resources and build a solid foundation for a prosperous future. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these 15 tips helpful in optimizing your money. Remember, Small changes can lead to significant financial improvements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.